Here it is, the package I've been waiting for from hiphopbling.com. Took 3 days to get here. Comes wrapped in the bubble wrap. There's a 30% discount code, G22. Comes with a sticker. Come in handy someday. These look like some extra stones they give you. And here it is. Comes wrapped in bubble wrap. Woo. Look at that shine. hiphopbling.com is where it at. It's the lemonade one. Look at that shine on that bitch. Yeah, man, hit up hiphopbling.com. That's where it's at. I'll have the link down below. Look at that. It's beautiful. The shine on there. Yeah, man, you can't beat this. Low prices for good quality jewelry. Comes wrapped in this. And the fastest shipping ever. 3 days. Sticker. Discount code. This comes in handy too. Extra stones when you need them. There it is. Stunting on bitches. Yeah, man, hit up hiphopbling.com. Have the link below.